Well, I finally got the new water pump in. Yes, indeed, there it is. And it's time to, and of course this time I do have a tripod. So I'm going to set this dude up and pick it up and get after it. Okay, so you can see that's where it goes. That's where it mounts. So I'm just looking to see if I can find my washers. I mean, I got more washers, guys. Just looking to see if I can see them in there anywhere, and I don't. So that's okay. So we're gonna continue getting after this thing. Let me put this camera back over here. Yep, this is the new one here. There we go. Alrighty. Hang on to those for later. This is the second one. The first one, the leg was broke off of it. Came like that from Amazon. That's definitely a bummer. But anyways, got a new filter. So it needed to be replaced. That's why I didn't take that one off the other deal. So anyways, get this over here and get this dude in and screwed back in place, and we'll be good to go. Alright, the moment of truth. It is not shutting off. That's not good. Then I better go look in the house and make sure there ain't nothing running all over everywhere in there. Shouldn't be, but turn some lights on. Turn the water pump on in here. Well, it's just running away in there. All right. So none of the faucets are on. That need to be adjusted. It shouldn't be. It should come from the factory adjusted. And let me go see what I can see here. Yep, it's still running, so. Okay, I got it. Yeah. For some reason, it probably has some air trapped in it. So I open this. Oh, it did shut off. There we go. Okay. Now let's pull this out. Check this. All right. Must have just had some air trapped in it or something. Anyways, okay. Let's get the cover back on. We'll be all finished up with this job. All right, yep. Let's see. Found an extension. Yep. There we go. Okay. We're all buttoned up. We are good to go. Okay guys, hey, that's a simple job. Sometimes it can be easy, sometimes it can be hard. It's way up under there, and that really makes it difficult to get to that stuff. So, but anyways, hey, thanks for coming by. We'll see you on the next one.